Hello, my fellow Camelites. Once again, it's me, Nemenium. Okay, today I'm gonna be telling you and giving you strategies in which can prepare you for any exam you are preparing for. Okay, so now I'm going to be giving you a lot of strategies, so just stay tuned as I share them with you. Okay, first of all, before taking exam, make sure you know, trust yourself, you can do it definitely. Okay, so now I'm going to give you the first thing you have to do if you are preparing for any exam, in quote, any exam. Okay, so now first, know your time duration. Do you have 4 months left, 3 months left, perhaps two, one? One. One can be a little bit tense, but first of all, you have to know how many time left do I have to prepare for this exam. Then you will now know what to do. So if you have like 3 months left, good. You have a lot of time. You can like reduce your reading hours to maybe 3 hours, or let me say 5 hours, depending on your strength. Okay, so like if you have a month left, then you have to push everything aside. You have to extract a lot of time to prepare yourself for the exam. Maybe you can be reading 12 hours a day, but I'm gonna tell you how to do that later in the video. You don't read once, no. Daily you strategize reading. No one is so good at it. Okay, let's go. And the second one for today, take down topic most important to you. In your syllabus, you know that some topics normally like repeat them every year. So you take down those topics, make sure you handle them first before you take down the uncommon ones you get. So now moving on, let's go up. Spot out habits that takes your time. You know that some kind of silly things we do which are not actually necessary, but we must do them. I don't know why, we are just humans. So you have to spot those things out and make sure you don't actually have to delete them out of your life. You just have to like pause them, or let me see, reduce them a little bit. Okay, if you're the type that likes chatting, you can stay online for like 6 hours unknowingly to you have to be conscious about it. You can like minimize your chatting hour to like an hour a day. No, an hour a day is too small, you will see. Okay, so like you can like do it, time yourself. Maybe if I come online in the morning for like an hour, I'll come online again at night, maybe an hour, something like that. So you have to like, if you are the kind of person that visits people a lot, try to minimize those stuffs and focus on your exam, because you have to pass. Definitely you have to pass. So now the next thing you have to do now is that spot out your free time and exploit them. Make good use of them. You know, normally in a day, you know when you are more free, you know when you are so tired up. Most people like that get engaged, like me myself, around 7 6 p.m. I'm not chanced. I'm always like busy doing some kind of chores and all that shit. So also that sometimes like in between afternoon and morning, sometimes it's not that free. You know these times that you are not free. Then now you have to shift your reading period to those times that you are free, and don't only shift them, expand your free period. You know this is the time I am free. Now if you are free like 2 hours, try to extend it to about 3 hours. Make good use of them academically. Then that's that. So now the next thing, see this question: how many hours can you read a day? It's a very important question. Now some people say like this guy assimilate a lot at night. You are sleeping. Okay, fine. So but like you sleep the whole day and you are waiting for night to read. Big fuck up. big fuck up. Because you do know you can actually read at night and also maximize your daytime, giving you more time to read. So you can actually make use of your night and your day. Some people they don't know how to read at all at night. Fine, you don't know how to read at night. You read at daytime, maximize your daytime. But now listen to me. See the strategy I'm gonna tell you. You are good at reading at daytime. See what you do. After reading at daytime, let me say per hour because daytime is always busy, I'm not gonna lie. So if you can make use of 3 hours of your daytime for reading in the night around let me say 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. that time you notice that you've eaten, you've done almost everything, you are literally almost free. Observe yourself. What are you doing next? You are with your phone. You are actually distracted. You have exams, you are chatting, you are watching TikTok and all that shit. So you know what you do next? That time which you are actually distracted, you that say you don't know how to read at night, that few time from that 9 to 10:30, let's just say 1 hour, since you don't know how to read at night, see what you do. Go to YouTube, look for the topic you know you want to read the next day, search it up and watch videos on it. Try to understand it. If you get a glimpse of understanding from that video, maybe you can watch the video for like 30 minutes. The remaining 1 hour, just try your best. Stand up from your bed, sit down, then try to get the basics of the topic, glance through. So you can use 1 hour, 30 minutes to get a glance of the topic that evening. Then go back to your chatting, have fun, sleep, and wake up the next morning and read the topic well with your normal 3 hours you read that afternoon. So that's that for how many hours you can read. So let me now take it. Now there's a very important thing. Handling a topic depends on how many times you've read it. Like it depends on if you know it before. So now there's this try. If you have time, like you have like 4 months, 3 months to prepare for your exam, you know what you do? Take a topic twice, like take one topic for 2 days. Read that one topic for 2 days. The first day you like get the basics, know it a little bit, try to read it for good 4 hours or 3 hours, depends on how you read. Then the next day you like revise everything, glance through everything, do as much research you can research, then go to questions. Make sure you solve a lot of questions, answer a lot of questions. Try to know it, try to like explain to yourself, like find someone to explain to you. Just walk up to your brother, your sister, do you know this is this? Start explaining and all that shit. It makes you understand better. So now now the most important of all this strategy is to like the one that waking people a lot. They don't have a proper reading habit. Unlike you want to read, you know you want to read at night. Then all of a sudden you sat down in your table, you sat down in your chair, facing your table with your book. Then all of a sudden you want to like read like this. You're looking at the book is actually here. You're like doing like this. You know to clown. Very soon the next thing like you doze off. That's for sure. You will definitely doze off. Or you are reading. Please, when you reading, don't use chairs like this, please. Though if you don't have the one without handle, and you can also use this, but be careful. Don't ever do this at night. I did think which I did read. No worry, I never sleep. That's what your mind is telling you. Very soon you will like boom. And once you start doing that, you're already weak. You start getting weak and all that. Before one man will tell you, please enter the bed. Okay, like I'm actually going to create a video on reading strategies, so like I'll expatiate on that so that you get this small hits you can actually use to chase off sleep away. Actually, it's not easy, but you have to just try. You have to try. You have to try. Okay, so actually, before I was able to get my 310 in jam, it wasn't easy. I had to beat sleep. Like I did a lot of things apart from dipping my leg inside the water. I didn't do that. It doesn't even work. Maybe it might work for you though. I don't know. So like I will expatiate on that in my next video. I will expatiate on that. So now the next thing, make good use of CBT apps is very important. If you're preparing for jam, get jam apps that will help you prepare. Make sure you solve every day. Like if you have 4 subjects, I'm actually going to discuss about how you're going to like strategies to prepare for your jam and all that. But I'm going to give you a hint on it. Okay, so first of all, make use of your CBT app and make sure like you set up time, follow time, so that you don't be too slow in the exam. So you practice with time. Remember, speed and accuracy is the goal. Speed and accuracy is the goal. So make sure you use CBT. It's very important. It helped me when I was preparing for my jam. Like I used test driller, I used my school. You can have like 3. So it doesn't mean that you have one and one is all like actually school. So now the next up, look for someone that is very competitive, someone that's writing same exam with you. I don't know the exam you are taking. Is it NECO, WAEC, JCE or JAMB? Look for someone that won't draw you back. Somebody very competitive. He likes reading ahead of you, coming to you and telling you, do you know this? He wants to hit you with a question like my friend Nate. He always like give you will read at night, will come the next day, he wants to ask me that question if I know it, and probably sometimes I'll tell him I might know it, I might not know it, but sometimes, most times actually I get it sometimes. So okay, after looking for a competitor, make sure like perhaps it depends on your location. You might not get people around you that easily that are taking the same exam with you. Now, do you know the next thing you do? Online work. Like, see, there's this thing I did when I was preparing for my jam. There's this thing I did. I and my friends we discussed. We created a group chat, and all of us in the group. Actually, we minimized the group for only like 15 members and 10 members, just to avoid overcrowding and all that shit. So we started doing. Actually, I'm going to tell you a lot of that, how we actually made the group work in my jam video. I'm going to do that in my jam, so that this video is already getting too long, so can't really discuss about it here. But the whole point is that we were able, like, we started interacting, asking each other questions and all that shit online. So if you can't get physical somebody online, do it online. Don't use your phone and waste your phone for unimportant things like playing games, doing shit like. Actually, I love game. I'm a gamer. I actually finished GTA San Andreas. Then when I was in secondary school, that's how like I play game a lot then, but like I stopped the habit. It's not beneficial. Sometimes I just play game, finish it up, and nothing more again. What is it? So like, lastly, the most important point, strategy to prepare for exam. Watch videos, watch YouTube videos. Like, look for the topic you want to learn, watch it online. Like, after watching it online, before you go and read, it gives you a glimpse of gives an idea, gives you an intro to what you want to read. You understand? Like there are some videos I've been making. I'm actually going to be dropping a lot of chemistry videos so that you can actually learn. You watch them, then go and read more, then you get more understanding on it. So that's a very good one. Make sure you watch YouTube videos. YouTube is not there for you to like have fun. It's not like TikTok. It's for you to get information, get teachings, get good education and skills. There are many things you can learn in YouTube. You know that. I know that. So exploit it. Don't waste it. So thank you for watching. And actually, I'm gonna be drop. If you're interested, you should watch the next video. I'm going to be discussing on your the best reading habits for you to be able to comprehend and retain information. So thank you for watching. Please, if you like watch this video, it's gonna help you a lot on how to like stop sleep and also how to retain things you read. If you are saying like I always forget, I'm gonna give you a strategy on how to retain. And also after this, I'm going to also drop the video my on how I was able to score 310 in jump and how I struggled and how I was able to overcome other shit. So thanks for watching. You are important. Thanks.